Hello, my healthy friends. Welcome to Maxine's Corner. Today, I am making a delicious, simple, and easy chicken Caesar salad. And this will be about 350 calories, so it's not a lot. So I have my wrap here. The first thing that you will need is, hey guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. It is absolutely free. So I am going to add some shredded chicken, right? And it's pretty much up to you how much, but I will leave the amount that I use in the description box. This chicken Caesar wrap is what I would make for lunch when I'm going to work. And then I have some avocados that I'm going to add. Once you add your avocados, you add your lettuce. Now, this is about 350 calories, not a lot. All right, so once you've done that, I want to show you how simple and easy it is to make something to eat. So I don't want to hear any excuses. Like I said, I will leave everything. I'm adding some Parmesan cheese, some grated Parmesan cheese. Everything that you will need for this recipe will be in the description box. Don't worry about it. And I have my Caesar dressing. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon here. Okay, as you may see, I added that. And now we will wrap for our life. Okay, that's how simple and easy it is to make a deliciously healthy meal for yourself. Okay, you're gonna take it like this. You're gonna tuck it in, wrap it over, tuck it in some more. My hands are clean. Yes, they are. Okay. Okay, wrap it over like this. And here you have your grilled chicken Caesar salad. I would add some blueberries. Once I add some blueberries, I will add some more of the salad. Very healthy. It would aid in weight loss. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Maxine's Corner. And I'll see you next time in another video. And stay with me. Stay healthy.